pressure washing the driveway. Now you can see that's a huge difference. I want everyone to take a look. Take a look. That makes a huge difference. Just like you need to pressure wash your home, you need to pressure wash your home, your driveway, sideways, walkways. Hi, Craig, Tashara, and Lakeisha. (904-616-4643). That number is directly to me. Call me and I will give you a free estimate. Walk around. Our company is your one-stop home beautification shop. Next week we'll be back servicing the lawn. So I'll let you all see what the house looks like with it being so nice and clean from the pressure washing. And then once the lawn is serviced, we'll be servicing this lawn on Tuesday. We are on the north side near Tallulah today, right now. Oh, y'all, the walkway is a mess. The walkway has been getting the brunt of the dirt. Look at that. This yard hasn't been maintenance in a while, and it has not been pressure washed in a while. And please do not feel guilty if yours hasn't been. That's fine. Just contact us and we'll get you right. Especially after all this rain that we're going to have on the weekend. Next week, this yard will be serviced. It will be edged and very beautiful. Now you all look at the difference in that walkway. I love it. Just letting you know. 904-616-4643. Call or text. That is directly to me. See these custom cuts? The loud noise that you all hear is the generator. Oh, you getting ready to come up here? Yep. All right, let me go down. Hold on, y'all. Gotta go in the sun. Hello. Hello. Ma'am? One second. Oh, go on. What'd you say? Oh, yeah, he can paint. He paint. What, you want to paint it? Yeah. Yeah, he can paint it. Hey, we can do that too. When he gets done, I have him come over here.
Yeah, I already got him to do the house after the storm.
Yeah.
What's going on with that? 'Cause the roof, you know, there might be stuff up there afterwards.
Yes, ma'am. And you're thinking about getting it painted?
Yeah, I want to paint it again.
Yeah, that keeps it from being stained too, you know.
Something like kind of like this.
Okay. Yes. Yeah, talk to him. Yes. Because normally what we'll do is we offer different packages. We have some packages where we just, if you want the house, just the house.
Yeah.
But then you can add, we do sideways, driveways, walkways, patio, add it all in. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Because you don't really notice it until you notice it.
Oh, I've been noticing.
No, yours is nice.
I can't do it myself.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. We are here. That's what we're here for. And I'm Kitty.
Yes, I figured it was.
Yeah. Oh, look, I forgot my shirt. Yes.
I seen you when your daughter first moved in.
Yes, ma'am. And so what?
That's new. I've never seen, you know.
With the, it has like
before.
a lot of scrubbers under the bottom of it that rotate, and it's better than him just grabbing the thing and
Yes.
spraying it. Because then sometimes you get lines and it's just much more work. Yeah.
I tried it myself, and I even had some solution. With the power washer goes like this.
Yeah.
You just see, that's what you see. You can see right there.
Yeah, you start seeing the lines in it. I see what you're talking about, like right here.
Yeah.
Yep. I tell people, it turns into a job.
And I even did the whole thing for
Yeah, exactly. So when he gets done, you want him to come over here about painting it too? When he gets done, you want him to come over here and talk to you about painting?
I want to try it.
Okay.
I got a color picked out. I try to do it myself, but he does have to try it when you know he's going through the house for me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I just want to try it. It's not a lot.
Yeah. Now, one thing, once it's painted, it's painted.
Yeah.
Can't go back.
I'm going to show you what I got if you want.
That's fine.
What did I say? I got all kind of brushes.
Okay.
Start inside.
Uh-huh.
I feel like it.
Yeah.
First thing
Right.
here, I just
Come on, let him do it. That's fine. That's what he's here for.
And I got these cats coming up because I'm feeding them now.
Yeah, you know if you feed a cat, they never leave. You know that.
I like them. I said, you come in, you know, get a bath.
Oh, you so nice. You know my name Kitty, but I don't do cats. I don't. Yeah, that's those outside cats. You gotta let them. You might bring them in. They might tear up the place. You don't know. Look, love bug.
I already got one.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, you might not allow all that.
Yeah, exactly. He like, this my nice place. But it's so nice and cozy over here. It really is with the plants.
Better, it's getting better. I gotta keep up with the watering.
Yeah, it's nice and cozy and shady. It's really comfortable. I'm gonna get my daughter to make hers all nice and cozy. Monique, I see you watching. I see her right here on Facebook.
Shutters too, but
He knows how to put up shutters.
what about that window over there?
They might be the same window. It's just that you just have this little. That ain't even a hump. That's just a line. I thought I thought it went out. No, he can put up shutters. Well, we put up some shutters before, and we service some townhomes off Dunn Avenue, and they have shutters. And so like they've changed some of the shutters, and so we have some shutters at the shop stuck in the storage. So that's how I know he knows how to do, put the shutters. Because sometimes the shutters give it a little extra. Yeah. But I think you just like buying from Home Depot and decide what color you want it or paint it, and then he puts them up.
See, got my winter stuff still.
Oh, that shit bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap, so heat inside.
Hey, if you wouldn't have told me, I wouldn't have seen it.
But I look right at him like, oh.
No, it's not.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay. It's nice and cozy. My daughter wants to get a fence at some point too.
Yeah.
That's a nice fence.
I had to. Them people been gone.
Yeah, I see.
They gone now. Thank the Lord. I answer prayer when you say peace and quiet back in the neighborhood.
Yes. Because it's a quiet little street. It is. You don't even notice you can see the river from your street, from your porch.
I'm sure when your daughter moved in, she heard us say, is it quiet? Is it quiet down here? It wasn't quiet no more when she got here. She said, is it quiet? That's the first thing out of her mouth. Is it quiet?
Is it quiet?
Shoot.
She'll be all right. But I didn't realize how nice you can see it right there from your porch. Oh, that's pretty.
I just hope when, the hurricane doesn't hit too bad.
I hope it doesn't.
Flooded in the backyard.
Oh, he was. She moved in right after, yes.
I moved in 2 weeks before the hurricane.
Oh.
I wasn't even thinking about the hurricane.
Okay. See, I didn't even know you were here before. I thought you were here longer than that.
No.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, let me go back over here and do some little recording. I'll have him come back.
I know that's
Yes.
get on your page.
Yes, it's just Kitty's Custom Cleaning. Look, hello, you look nice, I promise you. If they see me, they're like, oh. No, but it's just my Facebook is Kitty's Custom Cleaning. Okay. My YouTube and Instagram, all of the same. So just go through and you'll see this is going to be on YouTube also. So I'm going to save it and transfer to YouTube. Yeah. Yeah. And then he's gonna come and cut it real good. We put her on the rotation. So next Tuesday I'm gonna come back after when he cuts it, so they can see how nice it looks once with the clean house and the yard nice. That's fine, yes. Yeah. I asked him about the yard too. Because normally we set people up on a bi-weekly rotation. Yeah, he'll do the edging, all of that. And then like, if you ever want mulch taken up or taken down, anything like that, he does that. We do everything. Yes, ma'am. No, I just had some clients that want it up, or some clients that just want more mulch on top of it. But he does all of that. Yes. We plant, we do everything. We're here. Let me turn it around on me. Yes. What we call it? We're your one-stop beautification shop. Thank you very, very much. And I'm gonna get some I'm gonna get a card out my purse too, so you can have our phone number. Yeah, because I updated it. The last card didn't have the lawn service on it. So just in case you want to give it to a friend or something. And I'm a notary, just so you know. That's on my card too.
So sometimes
So if you know somebody that needs a notary, same phone number. I put it all on my card. Just give it to them. I have an office. Off Castle Avenue, and I do mobile. Yeah. And see, like when he does it, he doesn't get the lines in there. I don't know how. Let me go over here. On this beautiful day, pressure washing, Kitty's Custom Cleaning, residential cleaning, lawn maintenance, pressure washing, painting, mobile detailing. We also do mobile detailing too. Got to say that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's why I put it on the card and give it to you. It's all there. And the prices for mobile detailing, they're on the website too. Yes. Let me get a card. Try to make everything easy for people. I just wanted to give you all a little snippet of our day. See that loud that y'all hear? Is the generator. This is Kitty's Custom Cleaning. I love to go live and let people see what we actually do. See us live and in action. Today we are working on the north side, just off Tallulah, doing some pressure washing. This particular client, we will be servicing their lawn starting next Tuesday. If you need us, our direct number is 904-616-4643. Our website that has our prices is kittyscustomcleaning.com. Our YouTube is Kitty's Custom Cleaning. Instagram, Kitty's Custom Cleaning. That is my brother Dietrich and my Uncle Mike, making the north side beautiful.